Hello everybody, welcome to this edition of Farm Truck Friday shout outs. We're having a taco bang. We got 2 beef and 4 pastor, which is spicy beef. We got our lime, we got our hot sauce, we got the green, we got the red, but I believe I'm gonna stay away from the red today because I've been eating a lot of spicy stuff. So we're gonna get into this. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. We're gonna have a good time. Hey, welcome to this edition of Farm Truck Friday. We're gonna do some shout outs. You know, it's been a long time since I did a mukbang. You see the tacos, you see them a while ago. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna smash their tacos. Everybody, there's new people that's not seen me mukbang before. Every Friday I used to do some shout outs and do the mukbangs. I say, welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. All the new people that's new to the chat, you're going to see what's just like that. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I guarantee you're going to giggle, 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 and wiggle on down the road. Check it out now. Here we go. Hold on, I got to get my tacos. Okay, we got the camera where you can see the food all the time right here. I'm gonna get a little lemon. I don't know which one is the beef. It all look the same to me. We put a little this, a little that. We got a cilantro. It's so yummy. I love the cilantro. I put a little green on it, okay? I love these tacos. Who wants a bite? I give all my familia a bite. There you go. Bam! There you go. Holy moly, guacamole, it tastes so good. These are the shout outs. I'm gonna shout out 3 very special little young men. These boys are under 18 years of old. Shout out to my son, Finley River KENNELS Jr. Go check him out on these YT streets. Finley River KENNELS Jr. Shout out number 2. Trappy Nation. You go check out Trappy Nation. He is a young boy with a new channel. Go check him out. Trappy Nation. Shout out number 3 is Brandon Outdoors. Brandon Outdoors. Go check out these 3 young men. Very good young men. Check them out. Welcome to the mukbang. The taco edition. Parale, time to eat. I like the red one. It tastes better, but it's too much of pica pica. I put a little bit on here. I get you another bite, okay? Because I share with my familia. Bam! There you go. This is the beef one. And no, I'm not getting no cheese. He making me want to sing again. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. I bet a bunch of y'all didn't think that I could do my thing. Look at my taco banging in my truck. Because you know I'm not stuck. I'm not out of luck. I got me some delicious tacos. I don't have no rice and beans. Ain't got no time for that on this video. Yo, check it out. I want you to hit that subscribe button. Like it. Hit that thumbs up. Comment, commit, and stick, and share. Only if you dare. Please, 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 just don't just stare. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. I'm gonna smash my tacos. Adios, amigo. Orale, I got something down my throat. Adios, amigos. Until next time, go check out these 3 young men. Finley River, KENNELS Jr., Trappy Nation. Orale, my shoes fell off. And Brandon outdoors. Muchas gracias.